Hi friends, welcome to this video. So the question goes like this. Calculate the mass of compound. They have given the molar mass, that is 256 gram per mole, to be dissolved in 75 gram of benzene to lower its freezing point by 0.48 Kelvin K, right? Kf value they have given, right? And we have to see which one we will get it. A, B, C, D option they have given, right? So this is one of the easiest question they have asked, right? So what they calculate the mass of the compound. So I have to calculate mass. So mass, let me write it as W. I have to calculate this. I don't know this. What they have given? They have given molar mass, that is capital M, that is to be 256 gram per mole, right? And dissolved in 75 gram of benzene. So here benzene act as what? Solvent. What is the solvent? Solvent is nothing but my benzene. Its weight they have given. So let me take it as weight W2. Let me take it as benzene weight, that is 75 gram. And freezing point, it lowers the freezing point. It means they have given delta TF, change in freezing point. It lowers the freezing point of 0.48 Kelvin they have mentioned, and Kf value they have given. Kf constant value, that is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole, right? And we have to calculate this W, and we know that delta TF is equal to Kf into molality, that is small m, molality, right? So delta TF is nothing but change in freezing point is nothing but a constant, that is Kf, right? And molality, and we know that delta TF is equal to Kf. This molality can be expressed as what? Weight of solute divided by, that is mole, right? Weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute per kg of solvent. So solvent W2 they have given, that is 75 gram of benzene, that is the solvent. Per it is gram. To convert gram into kg, I have divided by 1000, right? So let me substitute what all the things they have given. So this is solvent, weight by molar mass gives what? Mole. Mole of solute per kg of solvent is nothing but this molality, right? Just I have substituted the formula. Just work it out. Delta TF they have given, that is 0.48 Kelvin, which is equal to Kf they have given, that is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole, right? Into weight of solute we have to calculate. Molar mass they have given it to be 256 divided by 75, that is weight of solvent benzene, divided by 1000, right? So just I will rearrange it. So what I will get? So it is like 0.48 Kelvin, 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole into W into 1000 divided by 256 into 75. I will assume that it is 250 only. So 1 za and this is 4 za, right? I will assume it to be 5 only, not 5.12. Just I will round it for 5, so that easily I can cancel. 5 1 za 5, 1 za 5, 5 5 za 25, right? So 4 divided by 5. So I want what? Weight. So weight, so I will get weight is equal to, just cross multiplication, 0.48 Kelvin into 15, right? Divided by what? 4. Divided by 4, right? So 4 1s are, so 0.12 12s are, right? Kelvin. Everything remains as it is only, right? So these units remains as it is. I forgotten to put the units. So in at the end you'll get the weight in terms of gram only, right? So just so 0.12 and into 15. So 0.12 into 15. So I know that 15 2 is what? 30, 30. 15 is 15, 16, 17, 18. After 2 point is there, so 1.8. So 1.8 should be the answer, right? So let us see the option. So 1.8 is here, 2.8 not the answer, 1.0 not the answer, 2.5. So the correct answer for this question is A1, right? I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.